No, my arm is obviously dislocated.
What happened?
Weren't you watching? I threw the ball and I landed on my arm.
Did you hear anything?
I heard a pop and I fell.
Have you ever injured your shoulder before?
A stinger, but that's it.
On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the worst pain you could ever experience, what would you rate it?
9. I feel like my arm is dead.
Pain is a weakness in the body. So what do we see? Well, I see an obvious deformity of the shoulder, and affected shoulder is no longer around. I also see some swelling, muscle guarding, as well as discoloration, and the affected shoulder is lower than your other.
Can you fix me?
Not yet. We need a physician on the line.
Oh, geez. Oh. Ow.
We're going to palpate the femoral joint to see if it's actually dislocated, and then we're going to try to get a physician on the line to relocate it. But if they say we can't, I might have to get surgery. Okay. I hear crepitus, and I feel deformity.
Alright, so you're saying we can relocate it? Alright, here we go.
Oh. Thank God.
Now we are palpating your glenohumeral joint for laxity and also palpating the humeral head all around. And if it's painful all around, then you might have a shoulder fracture. Now we're going to do the dislocation test. This checks inferior glenohumeral laxity, and we're going to do it bilaterally, so we can see if it's actually just your shoulder or actually maybe.
Yeah, but she taught me so much.
I do that first.
Definitely has a lot of laxity. Okay, next we're going to do the loaded shift test. Glenohumeral laxity. So just on all sides. This one shifts, this side shifts a lot anteriorly, so it has a lot of laxity. And this one barely moves, so that one is definitely got to watch.
Okay, so you're going to leave that ice pack on for 15 minutes. Keep it in a sling, try not to move around, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good. Today we're going to start your first full week of rehab, and we're going to do some range of motion exercises today, and we're going to send you home with ice. Okay, let's do passive range of motion now. So I'm going to take you through this, and you're going to tell me what it means. This is flexion. Other side.
That's fine.
Let's do extension now.
My toes are yellow.
That was abduction down. back to normal job. Bring it on like this. Start again. Right. Put it down. Put them in this bag. And then put it to your side. Your arms to your side on both sides. Hanging on this side. One by one. Start your hand in. And then start your hand out. And your other arm. And then bring them both internally or one at a time. And then bring them the outside. Good job. Okay, so you need to leave your ice on for 20 minutes and don't use your arm too much, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is Easton electrical stimulation. It creates a circuit within your muscles and it helps with healing potential. Okay, so you need to leave your ice on for 20 minutes and don't use your arm too much, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey Adam, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. How's your injury feeling?
Pretty good.
That's good. I got some good news for you.
What is that?
We can take off your sling now.
Yes.
One, go. How'd the E-stem feel last time?
Great, it really helped.
That's good. Let's give it another try today.
Yeah, let's go.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, I
I
can.
can't see it.
You can see it. Good job. Tomorrow we should go on. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, circumduction, internal rotation, external rotation,
Trying to practice today?
Sure thing.
I don't even know what song this is.